Is TVS Motor the next big player in the EV market? Investors are buzzing with excitement as this Indian two-wheeler giant gears up for the EV race. But is it worth your money? Let's dive into the analysis. TVS Motor Company, with its rich history, has carved a niche in the industry. With a focus on two-wheelers and electric vehicles, EVs, the company has also expanded its operations globally, making it a key player in the market. Recent achievements, such as partnerships and extensive research and development in EVs, showcase their commitment to innovation. Additionally, their market share has been steadily growing. Looking at their financial performance, TVS Motor's current stock price and market cap are worth noting. Over the past 3 years, the company has shown consistent revenue growth trends. Profitability indicators like net profit, margins, and return on equity (ROE) highlight their strong financials. India's EV sector is experiencing rapid growth, and TVS Motor is poised to capitalize on this trend when compared to competitors like Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Auto, and Ather Energy. TVS Motor stands out with its unique offerings. Moreover, government policies supporting EVs in India create a favorable environment for further expansion. TVS Motor's growth potential lies in its focus on electric two-wheelers, like the successful iQube. Along with future launches, the company is also eyeing expansion in international markets, opening up new avenues for growth. Investments in technology and innovation further strengthen their position in the market. However, there are risks and challenges to consider. Established players like Hero MotoCorp and Bajaj Auto pose strong competition in the EV space. Rising costs of EV battery materials could impact profitability. Additionally, TVS Motor's success is dependent on Indian demand for two-wheelers. In conclusion, TVS Motor has solid fundamentals and exciting growth potential in the EV space. But as with any investment,
Hello
there are
everyone, welcome
risks
to
involved.
Investees.
Before
This video is
investing,
very
it is
informative, so
essential to
watch
do
this full
your
video.
due diligence and consider your financial goals. What's your take on TVS Motor? Let us know in the comments below.